Hi guys, it's Chesna and I want to show you how cool our Club Couture program is. Now this is just started and they won't start the official program until March 5th. So you have all month to sign up for this. But this is what you're going to get. You've got this beautiful envelope and this is the example because it's going to me as a designer, so yours is going to look a little different, but it will look the same as this. Let's open it up and see. Very cool. Look at this. Okay, so we've got a transfer, silkscreen transfer, that is reusable 8 to 12 times. So think of all the different projects you can do. Let me put that down here so you can see. And here's how they work. I'll open it up for you. If you notice, there's these markings here. That's where you're going to cut. And these are just sticky. And as you can tell, that's the silk screen area. So that's how you get that really nice detail on your projects. And so you can move those around, put them in any direction you want. So you can, with the Club Couture, you're going to get the transfer, and you'll get 3 paste colors. I knocked one off. Let's see. Here's the third one. We'll just put that package in there. So you get 3 paste colors, a transfer, and you get directions on how to do it. You'll get a video and pictures to go along with it each month. It's a 3-month commitment for $19.99, free shipping. And so for 3 months, you know it's coming. And if you want to cancel after that time, you can. You just go on the website. It's a simple click, turning it off. But if you want to keep continuing to get this crafting experience each month, it'll be a new surprise transfer. Very cool. You will enjoy doing that. Now, we have an option when you first sign up that you can get the starter kit. That'll give you this nice Aiden 9x12 board. This is a magnetic surface, and so you can add things to it like wood flowers or any cool magnets that you have. So I love this board. It's such a high quality board. You would definitely enjoy crafting on that every month. You also would get this second surface as a board and base, and it can go this way or this way, so you can get horizontal or vertical in the base. You would get a squeegee, a multi-tool, and a jar of white paste. They won't ever send out white in the Club Couture. Those will always be different colors that go perfect for the transfer, but it's always good to have white on hand for anything that you want to do on that. This kit with all of that is $69.99, and it's the only time you can add it is when you first sign up, and it's a great value. It's under retail, so I really suggest you do that because then you can really do everything you want to. Also, what you can do, like if you sign up this month, it won't ship out until March, like I said, except your starter kit. If you do the Kickstart, that'll ship immediately. You can also add this month's transfer, which is this camera, for $19.99 if you want to, but that's optional. So that is the Club Couture, and I'm so excited for this new program because I feel like sometimes you don't know exactly what you want to do, and this is a surprise every month, something fun to make. I hope you'll consider it. If you want more information, I can send it to you. Just comment below or message me, and I'd be glad to help you get it set up. All right, thanks guys.